Among friends here and patriotic Kenyans, listening to those who have spoken here before me, I would say that all of them are people who have got the interests of this country at heart. I'm not going to respond to all the issues that have been raised. Some of them are issues which I've already covered extensively in some of the policy statements that I've issued. As you will have noticed, every Sunday I come up, I take a particular subject, and I put my views about it, and I release it for discussions. So I expect to get reactions from people that when we prepare our final manifesto, all those issues have been discussed and have been agreed on. Just talk briefly about the mountain. Nilikuwa juzi, I was invited by the governor of Laikipia to go to Laikipia. Before that, I'd been invited by the governor of Nakuru. That's where I went to Nakuru, and that's where I launched the Azimio ya Umoja wa Kenya. And after that, last week we were getting back in Nakuru with him. We had the funeral of a friend of ours. Then again I went to, on Saturday, I was in Elementaita, where I met a group of religious leaders at a conference. They're called the Israeli Churches of Kenya, which includes the Akorino, also Legio Maria, and several other churches.